Hello guys, welcome to this HTML tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you CSS, and CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It is a programming language which helps to style the HTML elements. It can give them a color, can reshape the text, or move them to different sides. There are three types of CSS. There's the tag style, the internal style, and the external style. In the tag style, the CSS code is written in an HTML tag. In an internal style, the CSS code is put together in its own tag. But in the external style, you have to create your own CSS file so that you can separate your HTML and CSS documents and still use an HTML code to join them together. But whatever, let's get started. Though HTML cannot work without CSS, CSS can't work without HTML. A painter can't paint without something to paint. So as we're learning CSS, we're also going to be looking at the HTML element that helps you to create a website. So we're going to start with color in this video. I want to create an HTML text. This is the most basic type of text tag in HTML, the P tag. This P stands for paragraph. So the inner HTML would be paragraph. If you can notice that there have been some upgrade in coded it. That from run it was changed to store text, and you don't need to click the store text before you save. In this we can see our paragraph of text. We can see that there is no color, that the font style and the font size are all the default. So now we're going to apply our CSS. I'm going to show you using the three ways, but all you need to learn is the CSS syntax. The first type of CSS is the tag style. I'm going to show you. Remember, it is written in a tag, and it's in the opening tag. You can't write it in the closing tag. It is written as an inner tag, like this. The type of inner tag is style. You need to write it like this, or else the CSS wouldn't work. What did I just do? The thing is, inside this inner tag, which is style, I wrote color, and then I wrote a colon, then I wrote red, and then a semicolon. The first words tells what do we want to style in the HTML element. And since I wrote color, it shows that we want to style the color. And then this colon is used to show what are we going to do to that part we want to style. And after the colon, I give a space, but this space is not necessary. It's just used to arrange the document. And after the colon, I wrote red. This shows what results do you want the HTML element to be. And then the semicolon shows the end of every CSS line. The CSS code is just telling me that I should color the text red. So I'm gonna save. Once I open this, we can see that our paragraph of text is red. Another CSS code I want to show you is this one. Instead of writing just color, because when you write only color, it focuses on just text. But if you write background color and save it, we can see that the external part of our file is red. This is the first step in learning HTML and CSS code. Click the notification bell for more of this type of content. Thanks for watching.